sure the seat you're in is comfy because you're now locked in to JTech's official TV.
Brother, right now, them are picking here, even know, so yo, me eat online class worse than them. Cause they head tough. No, they ain't easy, no, they head tough, brother. They come like a concrete make for them brain, brother. What you say, online class start? Oh. I apologize, let me apologize. Hello, students, my name is Mr. Dilhonk, and I will be your new online English teacher for today. Okay, so let's proceed with today's lesson. The topic for today is verbs. And we all know that verbs are action words, right, students? Jatex, you look like a smart young man. Could you name one action word for me? Potato. What's that, Jatex? Could you run that by me once more, but with a little more volume in your voice this time? Potato. Okay, potato, let the class see. You better go put down the phone there if you know we're good for you. You hear I tell you? Don't laugh in a spout. Huh? Because it's now your turn. Give me an action word.
That easy, sir. My action word for today is dirt.
Okay, Mr. Spout, since you're so confident in your answer, would you mind demonstrating for the class?
Oh, you mean, sir? I'd be happy to demonstrate. Watch this.
Hey, diary dirt. Them deaf.
But how you do it?
Yeah, me clean. Everybody know this. Mummy cause small man what this. But me know what this. Mummy just watch this.
Lord help them picking here. I have to go light up a ziggy man, boy, come like them want me to retire early in a me young stage.
Class is dismissed.